In this class, we are discussing about one of the important question for 4 marks, that is triple point of water. Before that, we want to discuss this. You are studied in the school level. Change of phase. Change of phase. We know that matter is available in 3 forms or 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid is available in 3 forms, or we can say 3 stages, or 3 states or 3 phases. What are the 3? Solid, liquid and gas. In the previous classes, we are studied about expansion of solids, expansion of the liquids, and gases also expands. Okay, that is not in our syllabus. Now, when we are giving heat energy to the solids, when the particles are away from the harmonic motion, that are expands. If we can give heat energy continuously at certain temperature, at certain point or at certain temperature, it changes its phase from solid to liquid. Solid to liquid. The solid converted into liquid is called melting. At which temperature the solid is converted into liquid is called melting temperature, or simply called melting, or that point is called melting point. Now, what is a melting? Conversion of solid into liquid, or solid converted into liquid is called melting. Okay. When temperature increases, the liquid is also converted into gas. Liquid converted into gas is called boiling. At certain temperature, the liquid is converted into gas. That temperature is called boiling temperature, or simply called boiling. Boiling means conversion of liquid into gas. Okay. We can see this in our general life. Now, this is a special case. The conversion of solid into gas. The solid is converted into gas is called sublimation. Conversion of solid into gas, sublimation. Is there any example? Yes. Naphthalene tablets. We can say Domber tablets. We can put that in a almaras or birwas, in a clothes. Air purifiers, gives a good smell. Naphthalene tablets, Domber tablets, you can say, that are camphor. We can use in the temples, camphor. The camphor is converted, camphor is a solid. The naphthalene is also solid, that converted into gas. The conversion of solid into gas is called sublimation. Okay. Now, we can see another way. The gas is converted into liquid. Gas is converted into liquid. If the gas is converted into liquid, it is called by condensation. In some books, it is called as liquefaction. Conversion of gas into liquid is called condensation or liquefaction. So, we can see this in our daily life. Yes. Example of gas cylinder. Which cylinder we are used in our house, in kitchen room? LPG, liquid petroleum gas. If you see the cylinder, we feel that the liquid is oscillating in it. Means in a gas cylinder which is present, the gas is in the form of a liquid. The gas converted into liquid is called condensation. Okay. Liquid converted into solid. Okay, that we can see in our houses, otherwise in ice cream shops. The water is converted into ice. The water is converted into ice. Ice cream you are prepared from the milk. The conversion of the liquid into solid is called fusion. Is called fusion. And next, the last one, gas is converted into liquid. The gas is converted into liquid is called hoarfrost. Due to the hoarfrost, in summer season, we can see healing stone rain. What we can observe? Healing stone rain. The gas is converted into solid is called hoarfrost. Due to the hoarfrost, in summer, we see the healing stone rain. తెలుగులో వడగండ్ల వాన అని అంటారు, రాళ్ల వర్షము అని అంటారు, హీలింగ్ స్టోన్ రెయిన్ అని అనాలి. The conversion of the gas into solid is called hoarfrost. Okay. Now, if we can plot a graph between temperature versus pressure, a graph is plotted between temperature and pressure along x comma y directions or axes. X comma y directions or axis, respectively called as phase diagram. Okay. With this phase diagram, now this is very important topic. Triple point of water. Triple point of water, it is a very important 4 marks question. If we can get this in the examination, you must to draw this diagram like this and you can write like this. This data, this diagram carries 1 mark, this data carries 2 marks, this definition carries 1 mark. Okay. Now, phase diagram it is it. Along x axis which is their temperature, y axis which is their pressure. At which point, this is the point, at which point fusion curve, sublimation curve, fusion curve, sublimation curve, steam curve, at which point fusion curve, sublimation curve, steam curve of water in a phase diagram coexist in thermal equilibrium. That point is called triple point of water. Now let us see. This is the curve, fusion curve. Left side, right side. The left side, the water is available in solid form. Right side available in the liquid form. Okay, are you followed? This is the fusion curve. Means here what happened? B is a temperature point. How much it is? 273.15. This is the pressure. How much the pressure? 610.42 Pascal. Otherwise 4.18 atmosphere. 4.18 atmosphere. This is very important, the pressure. 4.10 Pascal. Okay, if the pressure is more than 610.42 and temperature is less than 273.15, listen carefully. The pressure is more than 610.42, temperature is less than 273.15 Kelvin, the water is available in solid form. Okay. If the temperature is more than 273.15 Kelvin, the water is available in liquid form. Means, now let us see this curve. In this side, left side, the water is available in liquid form. Right side is available in which form? Gaseous form or vapor form. In this curve, left side is solid, right side is liquid. For this, left side is liquid, right side is vapor. Now the sublimation curve, in some books it is also called by another name, Hoar-Frost curve. Now here what happened? Left side is solid, but right side what happened? Vapor. Means the pressure is less than 610.42 and temperature also less than 273.15. Now that water is available either solid or vapor. Okay, this is about the triple point of water. Compulsory you mention the graph like this, left side solid for this curve and right side is liquid. For this curve, left side is liquid, right side is vapor. For this curve, left side is solid and right side is vapor. Okay, see this triple point of water diagram, and compulsory you can draw in your notes, and in the examination the graph must be carries 1 mark and the side values carries 1 mark and the definition carries 1 mark. Or if you want to expand like this, the fusion curve left side is solid, right side is liquid. For steam curve, left side is liquid, right side is vapor. And for sublimation curve, left side is liquid, right side is vapor. Okay, is it clear?